How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay. Today I have a BOXY charm unboxing. Look at here. Might as well do my thumbnail now. Okay. My daughter gave me a 3-month subscription to BOXY charm as a Christmas present. So it was supposed to get here until January 3rd, but it came today. What's today? The 28th? 29th? Well, anyway, it's Friday. The last Friday of 2018. So let's get to this unboxing. Okay. I've seen other unboxings, and I'm not sure if I ever had BOXY charm or not. I had Ipsy, and then I had another subscription service, and I can't remember which one it was. But anyway, it says, "'Tis the season," like S-E-A and S-U-N, season. And I can't read none of this writing on this card here. Why do young folks do this? Make this itty-bitty writing so tiny that can't nobody read it but people under 40. Anyway, let's get to it. Okay, first thing is called Pretty Vulgar. And what is this? It's the Powder Room Matte About It Translucent Setting Powder. Okay, let me see. Oh, look at that nice little powder puff up in here. Look at that. That's cute. And looks like this powder is kind of beige looking, but it's supposed to be translucent. And I have put on white translucent powders, and it worked for me. I didn't wind up looking ashy. So it's packaged up nicely. It's called Pretty Vulgar. Look at this jar. It's so cute. So that's how it looks. Really cute. Okay. The second one is Cosmetics Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. Okay. I'm going to use this. Can't read none of this writing on the back. Lately, I've been using the BOXY charcoal cleansing facial cleanser, and I think it's working because I still have acne prone skin even though I'm old as the hills. Yep, it's this color. Y'all see it? Scoop it back in there. Okay. And it doesn't have a bad scent, so I'll be able to tolerate it. I will be using this. Okay. Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint. It's by Tarte. Oh, Lord. I don't know if I'll wear this color. I can't read what the color actually says, but I'm looking at it. It's some glittery, shimmery mauve color. And I don't wear this color. Ain't nothing on this doe foot hardly. It seems to be like a clear color. It smells just like chocolate, y'all. It smells good. What if I can put it over what I got on? That's what I'm gonna do. I can wear it like this because it doesn't add anything but shine. That's cool with me. Okay. Of course, I messed up the doe foot, but ain't nobody using it but me, so. Okay, I like it. So I'll be using this. It added a little shimmer. Okay. Now what is this? Eye pencil or lip pencil? Bodyography. Heatherberry, that's the color of it. And it's a lip pencil. Okay, I was hoping it was a cold eyeliner. I like the cold eyeliner because they glide on very smooth. So, it's the same color as that lipstick, like a mauve color. And it says Heatherberry. I don't usually use a lip liner, so I won't be using this. Oh, it's the same color as the cap. Okay. I don't think I'll be using this. Not sure. Oh, yeah. Okay. This is why I like BoxyCharm so much better than the one I was getting. I got a palette in here, y'all. So what kind is this? Eyeshadow palette. And who is it made by? SUVA Beauty Inc. And it says Protege. And I like the smaller palettes. Oh, nice. That's what it looks like. Look at that. Take this paper off. Okay, I'll be using all these colors. Especially like this burgundy looking color. I'll be using that toward the corners of my eye. And I'll be using the lighter colors, maybe under the eyebrow. I really like this. Okay, I like this a lot. A lot. So that's my unboxing for BoxyCharm. And I'll be using 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 5 products in here. I wonder if I can use this in my wig. Yep, I sure can. Yep. Okay, I'm going to use everything. I don't like to let anything go to waste. So, I want to thank you all for watching my BoxyCharm unboxing. I want you to give me 2 thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank my oldest daughter, Nicole. We call her Nikki. Thank you, Nikki, for BoxyCharm, and I might just keep it going after I see how the next 2 boxes are going to be. But I really like this one. So, thank you. I like it a lot. Okay. I already did my thumbnail. I forgot. Okay. 2 thumbs up. Nice comment. And y'all be blessed. Okay. Happy New Year. It will be New Year in a couple days. Okay. Bye.